Hello guys, welcome back to 1MinuteITShot. In this video, I'll show you how to record and add a voiceover to your YouTube videos using CapCut. First, download and install CapCut if you haven't already. You can get it from the Microsoft Store or from the official CapCut website. Once CapCut is installed, open your project or import the video you want to edit. Next, drag the playhead on the timeline to the position where you want the voiceover to begin. Now look above the timeline and click the microphone or voiceover button. A recording window will appear. Select the microphone that you want to use for recording. You can also adjust the microphone volume if needed. When you're ready, click the red record button. CapCut will begin recording your voice while the video plays. Simply speak into your microphone and record your commentary. Once you're finished, click Stop Recording. And that's it. That's how to record and add a voice over to YouTube videos in 2026. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, subscribe, take care. Bye.